Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how my Chihuahua likes her travel bag. Okay, come on. Let's go. Hello. Where is it? Where is it? What are you looking for? Lulu, what's in here? Are you looking for your bag? Lulu. Lulu, what is it? Whoa, it's your travel bag. You wanna go on a plane? You wanna fly, Lulu? Okay, here. Here's your bag. Do you wanna go inside? Where did you go the last time? To Paris? Oh yes. Paris, mon amour. You wanna fly more? You wanna go to Paris again? That was fun trip, huh, Lulu? That was a real fun trip. And I stayed in a nice hotel. That was so fun. Lulu. Yeah, this I think it's extra small size bag, travel bag, and it's called Sherpas. Yeah, right here. And she just loves it there. What a nice travel bag you have. So much space still left to move around, to play, to lay down, to stand up. People, I like it here. Come join me. Sure, we can join you. You love it there, huh? Yeah. There's your little cord to chew on. Here. I know you like it. So yeah, she is completely trained to travel by plane in this travel bag. It's her little house. And she just sleeps there. Yeah, that's the bag. That's how it looks like. There's a pocket for some stuff, for some snacks for her. This is a little water bottle. And that's What, you wanna read too? See, that's the bag description. Sherpa Pet Group, guaranteed on board. See, and we did travel a lot with this bag. Yeah, it's your bag, I know. I know, we're not gonna give anybody. This is your bag. Come on, go inside. Go inside. You wanna fly? Are we ready to fly? Go inside. Oh, I am ready to fly. When you're ready, then I'm ready. Are you swimming now? You swimming? Swimming, flying, talking, jumping, playing, sleeping, eating. All kinds of things. Come on, swim. Swim. Show how you can swim. Come on. That's how she can swim. Okay. So, thanks guys for watching this video. And I hope you can train your dogs the same so they can love their travel bag. Just like Lulu loves it. Come on, go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Here we go. Good girl. Good girl, Lulu. She loves her bag. She loves her bag. Okay, guys. Any comments, any questions, you can leave it below. And subscribe. And have a good trips wherever you gonna go with your pets. Bye. Say bye to people, Lulu. Bye, people.